Neewer ring light kit 1848 cm outer 55W 5500K dimmable LED ring light review 2019. Kit includes one 1848 cm outer 55W 5500K LED ring light plus one 61 155 cm light stand plus one soft tube plus one white and orange color filter set plus one ball head hot shoe adapter plus one universal power adapter with USB plug plus one smartphone holder plus one carrying bag. Dimmable 1848 cm outer 55W 5500K 240 pieces LED bulbs with a wide dimming range from 1% 100%. Special LED SMD design, lightweight and portable. 61 155 cm light stand is constructed from aluminum alloy, giving it exceptional strength. The soft tube makes the light rotate freely for the best position. White and orange color filters are made of high light transmission plastic material with steady color temperature. A hot shoe adapter is compatible with most DSLR cameras and a smartphone holder for most smartphones, iPhone 8 Plus 8x7 sixths, Samsung Galaxy S9 S8, QRA, etc. Note: the camera and the smartphone in the picture are not included. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.